Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today we want to share with you one of our valve assembly. Take a look. Firstly, it's the VCINT roast bag, and secondly, it's the label. Shumatt's brand logo. Yes, if you want to print with your own logo labeled packages, contact us, support customized service. And then it's a product code F00VC01001 inject control valve. Yes, and the application injector model number. They're listed here, and this is the QR code. And then I will open it. The plastic bottles avoid damages during the translation. Inside is the oil paper. Valve assembly. Actually, we also sell the separate one. Like this kind of valve cap with the coating figures, and this is the valve rod. Here, Caitlin's 3 tips share with you. The first tip is to make sure the valve cap in the right position, and the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injected body. The third is if you want to clean the valve assembly, clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water, okay? And at last, I want to share with you about our 6 months warranty time. That's such a really long period, yes. Okay, so much for that. More details, please just contact us or send us by the messages. Remember, follow us at our channel. Thank you. Let's see you next time.